Welcome to my world. Welcome to my world. Give me a thumbs up just for the intro.
What is up, family? So today we back in the building. I am about to head out to Florence, South Carolina right now. Going to chop it up with my brother from another mother. Spend a little minute. It's the guy that I've been cutting next to when I was in the shop for about 15 plus years. Like, we've been cutting in every shop together for a long time. We've been running out here together for a long time. So going to kick it with him. He just recently lost his brother, a good friend of mine's. We graduated high school together. His brother and I did. We graduated high school together, and he was one of my classmates. So going over here, gonna take my bro to lunch. You know, have a good time, man. Sit down, kick it. It's been a minute since we seen each other, so I'm about to head out over there. Yo, we're gonna talk about these diesel prices too. These diesel prices done got crazy out here. So yo, let's kick it. Let's ride. We rolling today. Let's get it. A day in my regular life. Let's go. So diesel is ridiculous right now. The prices are jacked up super high. $5.29. I just saw that price today. So the big question is, how difficult is it gonna be for drivers to really make money, or owner operators? Or better yet, if you have a driver in your truck, how difficult is it gonna be for you to stay in profit and pay a driver with the prices being what they are right now? These gas prices are insane. I mean, the price went up another $1 and change in a matter of a couple days. So I don't know. Like, this is kind of like what I was talking about in the beginning, by what I was saying, like putting your money aside, making your money, stacking your money, and putting it aside, because anything could happen at any given time. And none of us foreseen, I know I didn't foresee gas prices shooting up the way that they've shot up. Like, this is bananas. So if you've been putting money to the side, hopefully you stacked up enough to where you still can move some loads and still keep, you know, some profit, make some profit in your business. Some profit is better than none. Some profit is better than no profit. So it's a couple of things to think about. Like, this gas is bananas right now. I haven't seen Amazon prices really move up any. Not in my area. Unless you're posting your truck. And I haven't posted a truck in a while. So I don't know what they're paying as far as the rates go for posted truck orders. But I know I'm catching loads that have to be moved last minute, and moving them at like $3.10 a mile and things of that nature. But catching the load back is keeping me in profit. Now, just going at that price and not having nothing to bring me back, now that's gonna drop my profit. I'm not gonna really be that much in profit if I was to do something like that. I mean, you got some things to think about right now in terms of how much you'll be able to still profit with diesel prices being what they are right now. Like, over the road is gonna definitely make the most sense right now, to be honest with you. Unless you're in the popping area with Amazon Relay, you're doing really short runs that are paying decent, or even longer runs that are paying decent. But now with the gas prices being what they are, you're gonna need to find loads to bring you back if you're just running Amazon, because it's gonna be hard. Like, I pumped gas the other day. I put like $1.25, and that was just cracking a half a tank. Barely cracking a half a tank with the prices where they are right now. Woo. Somebody need to holler at Biden, man. They need to holler at your boy Biden, man. I don't know what's going on right now. But I'm not really into politics like that, but, well, I'm not into politics like that, let's say that. But I know that got something to do with these gas prices. And this war that's going on in an entirely different country. It's not a war in the United States. It's in a different country. But yet we're feeling the effects of it with our gas prices. Can somebody explain that to me, please? I know there's videos out there talking about this, plenty of them, that's going kind of viral, but yeah. We gotta talk about this, man. Talk to me. Talk to me down below in the comments, man. This is insane right now. I mean, I'm in my truck, the X6 right now. I put $75 in here. I was almost on E. I put $75 in here. And that put me like 3-4 notches away from a full tank. I've never put $75 in gas in here, in premium, and I pump premium in this truck. Insane. From another mother spot. So y'all, man, listen, this man I done been gone so long. He done created a movie theater room. Check it out, y'all. Oh, this is nice right here. Let's get this view real quick. This is nice, bro. Look at that. Y'all see it? See what you can do when you put your mind to it. Look at the projector. And when I walked by, I thought I seen the screen. Go ahead and let the lights dim down some. Got the cans up in the ceiling.
If I dim it all the way, you probably that ain't gonna work for you.
As long as it's something on the screen though, so it's good. Yeah, it's still work.
Alright, let me do this real quick for you. I'm gonna cut them off.
Oh yeah, it's still perfect. But we in the movie theater.
Not yet.
Not yet.
That could shoot me. Okay, there you go.
Betty Bride, I want to give you my story. Full of serial killers. Please find me.
I'll show you too. I'll tell you all about it.
It's yours and it's yours.
Fine shot.
I have tasted blood before, and that is not it.
The guy tell you he built my little rooms.
Right.
He built the hot riser here, the platform here. He built that snack.
We found out we got the snack bar over here too, and the popcorn machine.
Yeah,
This dude ain't playing right here, y'all. This dude ain't playing right here.
Yeah.
Snack bar, drink.
Some other stuff I want to get, but I just feel like
This right here,
I
though.
don't have the space.
This right here, though.
Yeah.
No, this enough. This enough right here.
Yeah.
This enough for the family.
Yeah. During COVID, you know how we love movies, right?
Yeah.
And something I always wanted to do. So I just started a little bit at a time because you know
gave me some more. It's more inspiration. It's more inspiration for me.
Well, if I inspire you, then I'm doing something good. And if I get inspired by my little bro, I did good if I inspire you. Then
you done inspired me.
you made my day then, because you inspired me all the time.
Me for real. It's official right
So
here.
so during COVID, it's something I always wanted to do. I was like, you know what, we can't go to the movies. I said, I'm gonna try to do my own thing, man. and I look on YouTube and see.
I really feel like I'm in a movie theater right now, y'all.
That sound got you a little bit? Cause I said,
that sound was it. You know, I'm with the surround sound and that whole entire field.
So I was shocked when I heard it, because even on YouTube, when you play stuff, you don't hear.
You can't really hear what it
you don't hear
like.
it. So I didn't know what to expect. I said, well, I hope this sound good. But when I heard it, I was like, oh, yeah, I was what? I was like, well, I got more than I thought.
It's more than enough. Y'all know it wouldn't be right if I didn't show y'all the man cave, the cowboy man cave. Y'all already know what it is. Y'all know I'm a cowboy head. Y'all see what's going on right now. Don't y'all even be hating in them comments right now. Y'all already know what it is. Y'all see what's going on. Cowboys. We with it. We with it right now. Y'all see what it is? Let's go. Alright guys, so if you like this video, make sure you smash that thumbs up button for me. But even before you do that, drop a comment down below and make sure you let me know, how do you plan on maneuvering with the prices where they're at right now? $5.28-29 and above for diesel gas. Even regular premium gas is crazy. Regular gas is crazy. So I mean, how do you guys plan on maneuvering out there? Like, how are you sustaining your businesses right now, like with your box trucks? You definitely should be asking for more money right about now with these brokers. If not, business may get hurt a little bit. I'm sure more sooner than later, these prices should start coming down. I feel like they'll start coming down. I'm hearing they may not drop down until like Labor Day. That's what I'm hearing. I'm not completely 100% on that. Hopefully that's not the case. If so, you got to start talking to these brokers and having these brokers add more money, paying more money for these loads. I'm sure the shippers, hopefully these shippers get on deck. The brokers are the main ones that you got to watch out for. You know, you have some honest brokers, but you got to really watch out for these brokers and make sure that you're going to be getting the right rate per mile for these loads, and that you're taking the right rate per mile for these loads, so that you can, you know what I'm saying, profit something, make some type of money. You know, definitely figure out that cost per mile. That's the first thing. That's by now you guys hear me talk about cost per mile. You guys hear me mention that all the time. So you should definitely have that number already intact. Already know what your cost per mile is. Now you might have to go back in and play around with your gas, your fuel portion of the cost per mile now. Cause I know I'm going back in and changing my numbers up now to kind of match what the gas is. You feel what I'm saying? Cause I'm going to be looking for a little more for my cost per mile to crank up my truck and make a move with it. So let me know down below what you guys think, how y'all maneuvering out here in these box truck streets. All right, it's your homie Bigg Vic, man. Always hustle, never stop growing. Until the next video, y'all already know what it is. Tap in with your boy. Let's get it. Let's go.
I don't really know anymore how to feel something again. Think I'm just scared of falling. Don't wanna go